In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the Discord Quest badge. If you'd like to earn a Discord Quest badge and display it on your profile, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process using Discord on the web. By the end of this guide, you'll know where to find available quests, how to accept one, complete the required task, and claim your reward once it's finished. To begin, open Discord in your web browser and sign in to the account where you want the quest badge to appear. After logging in, click the Home or Direct Messages icon in the upper left corner of the screen. This takes you back to Discord's main interface, where you'll have access to the navigation options needed for this tutorial. Next, look at the left sidebar and locate the Quests icon. Depending on your account and the current layout, it may appear alongside your other navigation icons. If you don't see it immediately, take a moment to look through the sidebar carefully. Once you find it, click on Quests to open the page showing the available challenges. Inside the Quests section, you'll see any active quests or promotional events that are currently available for your account. Before accepting one, read the description carefully so you understand exactly what you need to do. Different quests have different objectives, and following the instructions correctly is important if you want to receive the reward. When you're ready, click Accept Quest. This step officially enrolls you in the challenge and allows Discord to begin tracking your progress. Without accepting the quest first, your activity may not count toward completing the objective. After accepting the quest, complete the task exactly as described. For example, some quests may require you to stream a specific game to a friend while you're in a voice channel for a certain amount of time. Make sure you meet every requirement listed in the quest details and remain in the session until the progress indicator confirms that you've completed the objective. If your progress doesn't update immediately, don't worry. Give Discord a few moments to refresh and make sure you're still meeting all of the quest conditions. Staying in the correct voice channel and completing the required activity without interruption can help ensure your progress is recorded properly. Once you've finished the task, return to the quests page. You should now see the option to claim reward. Click it to receive your reward, and the Discord Quest badge will be added to your profile. If the badge doesn't appear immediately, refresh Discord or check your profile again after a short wait. Sometimes rewards take a little time to sync with your account. That's all there is to it. By finding a quest, accepting it, completing the required objective, and claiming your reward, you can earn a Discord Quest badge and display it proudly on your profile. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,